Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing me, Siti Nanung Ma'oya, Master of Economic Education Study. Let me present my thesis proposal. The title is The Influence of Entrepreneurial Education, Entrepreneurial Mindset, and Teamwork on Entrepreneurial Readiness of Vocational High School Student through Entrepreneurial Self-Efficacy Mediation. Supervisor 1, Profesor Dr. Dedi Purwana ISM Bus. Supervisor 2, Dr. Agus Wibowo, SPDI, SPD, MPD. List of contents. Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. Chapter 1, Introduction, Background. Entrepreneurship is one of the driving forces of economic development. Entrepreneurs play an important role in local of global economies by creating jobs, driving innovation and economic growth. Entrepreneurs identify market opportunities, develop new product and service, and increase its value to society. In addition, they also help reduce unemployment and encourage healthy competition in the market, which has an impact on improving product quality and research efficiency. The following is a graph of the ratio of number of entrepreneurs to the population. From this data, the number of entrepreneurs in Indonesia is still relatively small compared to other countries. Indonesia entrepreneurship ratio is still low at only 3.47% of the total population. Compared this with Singapore, which has reached 8.76%. Malaysia and Thailand are already above 4.5%. Even in developed countries, the average is 10 to 12%. The next graph is the position of the Global Entrepreneurship Index, GAI, position in South Asia. Presidential Regulation Number 2 on National Entrepreneurship Development. In the Presidential Regulation, the government target an entrepreneurship ratio of 3.95% by 2024. Based on the Global Entrepreneurship Index, Indonesia still ranks 75 out of 137 countries with the score of 26. This index measures a country's ability to produce entrepreneurs. Indonesia Global Entrepreneurship Index position is also still lagging behind several neighboring countries in ASEAN. The next graph is the number of job seekers and registered job vacancies in Indonesia. BPS data shows that there were 937,176 job seekers in the year 2022. Meanwhile, the total available job vacancies did not touch a quarter of the total job seekers. The number of registered job vacancies was 59,276 vacancies. In the year 2022, this number also decreased drastically by 88.33% compared to the year 2021. This imbalance between the number of job seekers and job vacancies contributes to the unemployment rate in Indonesia. The role of vocational school in preparing grades for entrepreneurship is very significant. So, entrepreneurship education, vocational school provides students with practical and theoretical training that encourage the development of creativity, analytic skill, and independent business. Vocational school graduates who have business management knowledge and technical skill and support by intensive experience, so they have a strong foundation to start their own business. Dan vocational school not only train skills workers but also facilitate students to become independent entrepreneurs. Data on the number of vocational schools in Indonesia for the years 2021-2023. The table shows data on the number of SMK in Indonesia and the number of students enrolled in SMK from 2021 to 2023. In the year 2021, there were 14,577 SMK with 5,109,127 students. This figure decreased in the year 2022 with 14,392 SMK and 5,060,624 students. The decline in the number of SMK and students continued in the year 2023, with SMKs totaling 14,350 and students total 5,004,123. This data provides an overview of the trend in the number of SMK and students in Indonesia over the period. Number of vocational school and vocational school students in Indonesia in Bekasi Regency. From the table above, the show that the number of vocational high school in Bekasi has fluctuated over the past 4 years. Although there are small changes in the number of schools, the number of SMK students continues to increase every year. However, the increase in the number of SMK students is not always accompanied by a corresponding increase in employment opportunities. The imbalance between the number of SMK graduates and available job opportunities can be challenging for students in the future. Present study for National Vocational High School graduates. The present study was released in November 2022. From the graph it can be seen the most SMK graduates, 43.6%, host the work on and the absorb into the world of industry. In the year 2023 is become 43.7%. In addition, 20.46% of SMK graduates forced to become entrepreneurs, and in the year 2023, this increased by 1% to 21.34%. This data is in line with data released by Central Statistics Agency as of February 2023. As many as 8.40 million people in Indonesia have become unemployed. The open unemployed rate, as February mentioned it, that as many as 10.38% came from vocational school graduates. One of the underlying factors in the lack of readiness of SMK students for entrepreneurship, about 21.34%, to become entrepreneur. This figure is still relatively low compared to the 43.7% who chose to work. Vocational high school graduates often face obstacles in finding jobs due to the mismatch between their skill and the demand of the job market. On the other hand, the growth rate of formal employment is not always in line with the number of vocational high school graduates in that increase from year to year. This emphasizes the importance of alternative approach in shaping the readiness of vocational high school students in including entrepreneurship education. The lack of readiness of vocational high school students become entrepreneurship is a challenge that needs to be addressed in developing the entrepreneurial potential of the younger generation. Although many vocational high school graduates have sufficient technology skill, they are often poorly equipped with the knowledge and skill needs to start and manage their own business. Lack of understanding of aspects of entrepreneurship such as business planning, financial management, marketing, and business development strategies can hinder their ability to succeed in entrepreneurship. Therefore, improving entrepreneurship education in vocational high school and providing adequate training and support to vocational high school students in developing their entrepreneurial skill is important. In this way, vocational high school graduates will be better prepared to face the challenge of the work both as works and as independent entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurial readiness is influenced by three main factors: entrepreneurship education, entrepreneurial mindset, and peer group. Entrepreneurial education equips students with business knowledge and skills, while entrepreneurial mindset encourages and creativity in facing challenges. Peer group provides support and motivation, helping students be more confident in starting a business. These three factors play a role together in shaping vocational high school student readiness for entrepreneurship, both directly and through increasing self-efficacy. Problem formulation. The main problem of this study is the lack of readiness of students to become entrepreneurs. Although many vocational high school graduates have sufficient technical skill, they are often less equipped with the knowledge and skill needed to start and manage their own business. From the main problem, the formulation of the problem that is the main subject of the study is: do entrepreneurship education, entrepreneurial mindset, and peer group influence entrepreneurial readiness of vocational high school students through self-efficacy mediation? Research purpose. From the formulation of the problem, it can be seen that the purpose of the study is to analyze the influence of entrepreneurship education, entrepreneurial mindset, and peer group on the entrepreneurial readiness of vocational school students through the mediation of self-efficacy. Benefit of research. The influence of entrepreneurship education, entrepreneurial mindset, and peer group through the mediating variable of entrepreneurial self-efficacy on the readiness of vocational high school students has various benefits, both theoretically and practically. Here is an explanation of the benefits. Theoretical benefits. Development of entrepreneurship theory, conceptual models. Practical benefits. For teacher, curriculum development, teaching approach, assessment, and evaluation. For student, skill development, motivation and self-confidence, entrepreneurial opportunities. Thus, this research not only contributes to academic understanding but also provides real impact in preparing vocational high school students to succeed in the world of entrepreneurship. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Vocational high school student entrepreneurial readiness. Entrepreneurial readiness of vocational high school student is an overall condition that makes students ready to start and manage a business. It involves a combination of knowledge, skill, and attitude needs to success in the business world. Entrepreneurial mindset is a mindset that focuses on attitudes, behavior, and ways of thinking that support someone in identifying opportunities, taking risks, and placing value in the context of an innovative business or project. Entrepreneurship education. Entrepreneurship education is an educational system designed to teach the knowledge, skill, and attitude needs to become a success entrepreneur. Peer group is a group of individuals of members who have the same or similar characteristic or background in a particular context. Entrepreneurial self-efficacy. Entrepreneurial self-efficacy is an individual's belief in his or her ability to success in tasks related to entrepreneurship. Previous research. In this study, there are several studies that have been conducted previous, thus forming the basis for the thinking behind writing this research. Wirahdianta, entrepreneurial readiness of vocational high school student in the special region of Yogyakarta. Entrepreneurial knowledge has a significant influence both directly and indirectly in determining the entrepreneurial readiness of vocational high school student. Jurnal Dinamika Vocasional Teknik Mesin. Jiatong et al. Impact of entrepreneurial education, mindset, and creativity on entrepreneurial intention. Mediating role of entrepreneurial self-efficacy. Berpengaruh secara positif dan signifikan. The International Journal of Management Education. Suratno Bagusandi Narmaditya and Agus Wibowo. Family Economic Education, Peer Groups, and Student Entrepreneurial Intention. The mediating role of economic literacy. Positive and significant influence. Halion volume 7 research article. Formulation of hypothesis. A hypothesis is a temporary answer to the formulation of research problem where the formulation of the problem is stated in the form of a statement. Hypothesis. There is a positive and significant influence between entrepreneurship education, entrepreneurial mindset, and peer group on the entrepreneurial readiness of vocational school students through the mediation of self-efficacy. Conceptual framework. Grand theory, social cognitive. This theory emphasizes that learning occurs in a social context and is influenced by the interaction between the environment, individuals, and behavior. Bandura introduced the concept of self-efficacy as an individual belief in their ability to achieve certain goals. In the context of this study, social cognitive theory can help explain how entrepreneurship education, peer group, and entrepreneurial mindset influence students' self-efficacy, which in turn influence readiness to become entrepreneurs. Chapter 3 Research Methodology. Population Analysis Unit. This study aims to test the hypothesis regarding the variables of entrepreneurship education, entrepreneurial mindset, and peer group through the mediation of entrepreneurial self-efficacy on the readiness of vocational high school students among vocational high school students who have received entrepreneurship education in vocational high school class 11 and 12 in Bekasi Regency. The unit of analysis in this study is the readiness of vocational high school students to be entrepreneurs in Bekasi Regency. Research location. Bekasi Regency consists of 4 regions, namely the South Region, West Region, East Region, and North Region. Research conducts research in the South Region. The research was conducted at the state vocational schools in the South Region, Cikarang Pusat Vocational School, Cikarang Selatan Vocational School, and Cibarusah Vocational School. research time September until completion. Population and sample population. The research was conducted at a state vocational high school located in South Bekasi Regency, West Java Province, covering students of state vocational high school at South Bekasi Regency consists of three districts, namely South Cikarang Selatan, South Cikarang District, Central Cikarang District, and Cibarusah District, Bekasi Regency, especially students in grade 11 and 12 who have received entrepreneurship education. The selection of state vocational schools in the area was based on the considering that state vocational schools have more complete facilities and infrastructures, and the number of state vocational school students dominates in the area with a total population of 4,228 students, of which 2,959 are students in grades 11 and 12 who have received entrepreneurship education. The number of samples is determined using the Taro-Yamane method with a significant level of 5% errors, and samples will be taken proportional randomly. Thus, the number of samples in this study was 352 respondents. Operational variables. Operational variables are the activity of defining variable of operationally, namely translating the concept with definition of variables into measure indicators. This is done to facilitate the measurement and analysis of variables in research. State that operational variables are a process of explaining conceptual definition of variables into indicators that can be measured empirically. Conceptual and operational definition. Vocational high school student entrepreneurial readiness. Conceptual definition. Vocational high school student entrepreneurial readiness is a theoretical description that includes various essential components that students must have to be able to start and manage a business independently. Entrepreneurship education. Conceptual definition. Entrepreneurship education is a theoretical description that describes the various elements and characteristics that form an educational process designed to develop individual skill, knowledge, attitudes, and abilities in the field of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurial mindset. Concept definition. Entrepreneurial mindset is a way of thinking and acting the focus of opportunity creation, innovation, and calculate risk taking. Peer group. Conceptual definition. Peer group is, in a conceptual context, is a group of individuals who share similarities in terms of age, social status, interest, of similar background, who interact with each other on a regular basis and from social tastes. Entrepreneurial self-efficacy. Conceptual definition. Self-efficacy towards student entrepreneurial readiness refers to the beliefs of individual, especially students, regarding their ability to start and manage a business effectively. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.